Hello, today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your Mercedes-Benz GLA car using a jumpstarter. Yeah, let's have now the unlock mode for the car hood. Then of course you should have your jumpstarter right in the trunk, for example, for every time if you need it. Then, of course, we're ready for jump starting. Let's open the car hood. And then we have to connect the jump starter. The jump starter is a power pack, which comes to us, in this case, with 8,250 ampere. This is an heavy-duty jump starter and an air compressor. In this case, that's really cool. So, let's go ahead and jumpstart our car now. In the car, under the car hood, we will find an area where is a red clamp. This red clamp, we are swiping a little bit, and underneath that there is a metal plate. This metal plate is the plus pole of our battery, okay? And we have another a minus pole, that means the engine bay. The engine bay is negative, and the plus is the red wire, and the red wire clamp we connect to the plate of the plus pole. The other, the black clamp, we connect to our engine bay. Just then we switch on the device, the jump starter, and we have a seat in our car. And we push the brake pedal down and push the engine start button. After this, it should be restart immediately. Now, the engine is running and we can disconnect our jump starter. And with that, we are keep energized. Because now the engine is running and the alternator is reloading the battery. So, jump start nearly. If we have a problem that the jump starter cannot handle to restart our car, we have to wait 1 minute to perform it again. And if it does not work anymore, we can make a super duper nice force start with that jump starter. We switch on it, and you can see if I push the force start button and keep it for 2 seconds, it will automatically go to the full throttle. 16.1 voltage is now on the go, and we can restart our car easily. After the job is done and the car is running, we can of course get the jump start back in the trunk for next time of use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.